Control your blood sugar with one boiled egg. Just one boiled egg is needed to control sugar in the body. Take one egg. Boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. According to the research, nearly 350 million adults of all over the world are suffering from diabetes. Experts say that over the past 3 decades, numbers have more than doubled, making diabetes an epidemic. Diabetes is a condition which body cells do not use sugar effectively. The blood sugar levels are chronically elevated. This causes illness such as heart diseases, stroke, and many more dangerous diseases. If you are one of the millions who have diabetes, you must take care by healthy exercise, healthy weight, and healthy eating. Nutrition researchers found that eating egg in the morning keeps blood sugar and insulin levels under control. Benefits of egg. A whole egg contains 7 grams of protein. It is also a source of potassium which balance sodium level in the body. Egg have many nutrients which improves your brain health. Egg yolk is important for healthy hair, skin and nails. It helps in insulin production. Here is a simple recipe. For this we need boiled egg and vinegar. Now take the egg into a plate. Peel it. Now make holes with the help of knife. Take vinegar and pour vinegar over the egg. Keep this egg aside for overnight. In the morning, eat the egg while drinking a glass of water. This is the best way to get the full health benefits of boiled egg. And this recipe is easy to prepare and it is effectively regulates blood sugar levels.
What are the health benefits of hard-boiled eggs? Boiled eggs make a quick snack. Adding hard-boiled eggs to your diet adds good fats to your body to keep your heart healthy. Hard-boiled eggs also have important vitamins to help protect your eyes and keep your bones strong. High protein. Hard-boiled eggs are naturally high in protein. You need protein to build muscle mass, but it also helps repair all tissues in your body and provides structure for cellular walls. Your diet should consist of 10% to 35% protein or 50 to 175 grams for following a 2000 calorie diet according to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans 2010. One large hard-boiled egg provides more than 6 grams of protein. Good fats. Hard-boiled eggs provide good fats called monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats, stabilizes your blood cholesterol levels and lowers your overall risk for heart disease. These heart-healthy fats also regulate insulin in your blood, which keeps your blood sugar within a healthy range, especially beneficial if you have type 2 diabetes. Eye health. One of the major vitamins in eggs is vitamin A. This vitamin is a component of a protein that absorbs light in your retinas, protects membranes around the cornea, and lessens your risk of night blindness. Women need 700 micrograms of daily vitamin A and men require 900 micrograms according to dietary supplements reports. Boiled egg adds approximately 75 micrograms of vitamin A to your diet. Caloric information. One large hard-boiled egg provides nearly 80 calories. About 60% of the calories come from fat. Eliminate nearly all of the fat if you want to cut back on calories by scooping out the egg yolk. By consuming only the lean protein from the egg white, you reduce your calorie intake by more than half. Strong bones. Hard-boiled eggs provide vitamin D to keep your bones and teeth strong. Vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium and regulates calcium levels in your blood. This process ensures that your skeleton gets the calcium it needs for strength and structure. You need 600 international units of vitamin D each day, reports the Office of Dietary Supplements. You get about 45 international units of vitamin D from one large hard-boiled egg. These are all the benefits of boiled egg.
Eggshells for health. Eggshells has so many beneficial properties, but we always end up by throwing away the shells. Eggshells eliminate joint pains. The eggshell is formed by 90% calcium, which benefits our bones. It also contains zinc, phosphorus, magnesium, chromium, and iron. Benefits of eggshell. It stimulates the bone marrow. It regulates high blood pressure. It strengthens bone. It regulates cholesterol level. It is recommended to take 1.5 grams to 3 grams of eggshell daily. You can add in food or in drinks. The ideal way is shell flour. Let's start the process. Take the eggshells, put it in a dry pan and toast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now, take these eggshells and place in a mixer. Make a fine powder out of this. By taking this eggshell powder regularly in your diet or by adding in your drinks, you can get amazing health benefits. It is also detoxifies your body and strengthens your nails.